Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Freedcamp Action Automation for workflow. Once on your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install and you head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload the tab and you scroll down to the custom page, click on it. Then you will have this pop-up interface with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with this specific app is right in here. We have the smart queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that's going to walk you through on the process of configuring your app. We have the setup feature. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and an API key will be required. Let's head over to our account which we created online. Click on the profile on the home page and you click on your profile, then choose My Account. Scroll down and click on Integrations. Then you click on the API. After clicking the API, scroll right up here and you click on this plus sign. Copy your API key. Head over to the account and you paste and you click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and as well book a live call with the team. We have the changelog feature, which is one of the most interesting features that's going to enable you to track all the new updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.